Hello Philippines, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to the latest update. This is the weather analysis for today, holiday Tuesday until Easter Sunday, April 15 to 2025. This is our English version, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And let's begin now with our update. We are now releasing this weather analysis for the next 5 days. Since this coming Lenten season, we are not going to give you any updates since we will be on a vacation, and we will be back on Monday. So that's why we are now releasing this Holy Week edition of this weather analysis. So far, so good. Our country is free from any tropical cyclone, LPAs. It's generally warm, dry, hot, humid, and good weather. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. Even thunderstorms are limited in isolated areas of Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon. And right now, here's the latest GovSat that we issued yesterday, and this is valid until tomorrow, Wednesday. We have light easterlies affecting the coastal waters of eastern Philippines, eastern Bicol, eastern Visayas, as well as eastern Mindanao. Although we have here a shear line, it's quite weak, and it will just bring some cloudy conditions across extreme northern Luzon, particularly Batanes, Babuyan, and the northern coastal areas of Cagayan. So it will also bring some light winds across this area of the country. So this shear line is expected to depart within the next 24 hours. As you can see here from the fast animation, the shear line is starting to move away towards the northeast, okay, and connected with a frontal system. And thunderstorms will remain a frequent visitor during the afternoon across Mindanao. As you can see here, there's one west of Davao City and a strong thunderstorm over the area of Lanao provinces, Soxigen, northern Mindanao, and into the western Zamboanga Peninsula area of western Mindanao, And we have also here some isolated ones affecting the northern portions of Metro Manila, Quezon City, and also parts of Bulacan. It's just a small one here. We're going to zoom it in, and you can clearly see here as the time progresses. It's now almost 10 in the evening, and around let me wait, okay, 8 p.m. there's a thunderstorm here over the area of Bulacan. So it's not north of over northern Quezon City. It's already over Bulacan. So some brief thunderstorm has occurred here just to the southeast of Baliwag. And so far so good. Generally dry across the country. And if we take a look on the latest on La Niña, it has already ended. And here's the latest from the Columbia Climate School, International Research Institute for the Climate and Society, in partnership with the National Climate Prediction the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA of the United States. It's currently issuing a final La Niña advisory, so it has ended. If we take a look at the latest on the forecast graph from the NOAA CPC, so right now, month of April, we are now 98 or 99% neutral. So we're now back to neutral, but since this is a climate phenomenon, so we expect, even though we saw the end of La Nina right now. For the next 2 months, post effects of La Nina will still continue. There will be some showers, thunderstorms occurring in parts of the country. Possibility of a tropical cyclone formation by May. So watch out for that. And as we move into the deeper part of 2025, based on the forecast from the CPC until November and December of 2025, it's generally neutral. Okay, so normal climate, or what we call as la nada. So nothing is happening when it comes to the El Nino or La Nina. It's more of a neutral climate for the next 8 to 10 months. So you can see here, as we move into September, October, November until December, the uncertainty of this forecast is beginning to go higher, and you can see the possibility of La Nina moving again at 30%, 40%, but it will be generally neutral. Okay, so we expect normal to above average tropical cyclone formation of 19 to 20 over the Philippines. So let's hope none of those makes landfall to our country, but we expect some of them passing to our country, so take all necessary precautions. As for those who are preparing for the hot dry season, just drink lots of fluids, lots of water, as we are expecting heat index to rise above 40s up to maximum of 51 or 52 in some selected areas of the country, particularly over Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, parts of Bicol. We could hit a high of 50 to 52 degrees centigrade heat index. Okay, now for the wind forecast, generally tomorrow, Holy Wednesday, Monday, Thursday, Good Friday until Easter Sunday, it will be generally peaceful with light winds blowing from the east across eastern Philippines, but elsewhere across the inland places of the country, it will remain calm to variable winds. Okay, and as we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 5 days, and this is valid until Easter Sunday. So Holy Wednesday, we expect in the afternoon some thunderstorm, isolated ones across central and northern Luzon, while the rest will remain low probability, but there might be some thunderstorms in Visayas and Mindanao. Thursday afternoon, we expect thunderstorms to persist over eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao, particularly Davao region, Caraga, and northern Mindanao area. So expect thunderstorms and rain showers isolated on Thursday, April 17, and also here over southern Leyte, including over southern Samar and Leyte, while over northern Luzon, particularly over the Cordillera administrative region, it will remain isolated thunderstorms to persist. Okay, that will be on Monday, Thursday. On Good Friday, we expect just the mountainous areas of northern Luzon. We expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. There might be some showers along the Camarines Sur area over the 1st District. Okay, Ragay, Del Gallego, Lupi, okay, and also here northern Samar and parts of eastern and western Mindanao. Black Saturday, we expect thunderstorm, isolated ones to persist over northern and western Luzon, particularly over Zambales, Baguio. So expect some isolated thunderstorms, and as well as southern Mindanao. Eastern Visayas, particularly Samar provinces, will also have a chance of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms this Black Saturday. Now on Sunday, this is the final of our forecast, it looks like there might be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the mountainous areas of the Cordillera Administrative Region, as well as southern Tagalog provinces, Bicol Region, Camarines Sur to be exact. There might be some showers, isolated ones, or thunderstorms, but it's still at 50% probability. And also over eastern Visayas and Mindanao. So expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms on Easter Sunday. Now here's the latest on the wave forecast for the next 5 days. It will be generally peaceful, light, calm waves, and yeah. The wave heights over the East Philippine Sea will remain up to a meter, while over the central portions of the Philippines, the inland waters, it will become to almost half a meter in wave heights. The West Philippine Sea, same with the inland waters of the country. So expect that to the next 5 days until Easter Sunday, April 20th. So there we go. That's the latest Holy Week edition of our update. So if you're planning to go out, take a vacation in other parts other parts of the country, you may do so. Okay, the weather will be fine, will be great, except for the scorching heat. So please take all the precautions. Stay safe always. We'll see you again next week, since we are going to have some vacation. So we'll see you on Monday for another edition of our weather analysis. This is Mike Padua saying have a great week ahead. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.